What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video, looks like Gus is excited. I'm gonna put to the test this gadget. This is a gutter cleaner. Instead of standing on a ladder like that, especially for those gutters even higher, you can get this gadget and blow it off all the gutters like that. As you can see before and after, there's a lot of dirt, mostly leaves. So I'm gonna get my leaf blower and this attachment and try to blow it off, and then I'm gonna climb up and see before and after. You see, I actually have a tree growing out of my gutters. I should clean it a long time ago. Yeah, you excited? Are you excited, Gus? Okay, I have a big steel leaf blower right here. It's 600. So let's open it up, this gadget, and hopefully it will fit. There's a couple pipes, kind of skinny pipes, so I guess so that way the pressure stays really good. But okay, there's all the gadgets right here. There's gonna go at the end over here, obviously. I'm pretty tall already, so we'll see if I need all of them. I know it's kind of super sunny, but hopefully it makes sense and you guys can see what's going on. There you go. Make it really tight, and to make it tighter you use this. Okay, let's start it up. I already started before, so it should be preheated. Okay, it's kind of falling apart. You know what? Let me readjust a couple things. Maybe take off this part right here. Okay, I readjusted a little bit, see what happens. This is too powerful. I think this is a little bit too powerful because it's really hard to hold this thing. Let me go grab a handheld one. And you know what, maybe this thing will fit a little better with the handheld one because it's just blowing off. Woo! But yeah, look at all the dirt coming off. So aftermath with this big vacuum, blower, it came off really good, except here there's way too much roots. Look at that. Of course it's not gonna blow it off. But rather than that, if you don't have any trees coming off of the gutter, look how clean that is. That's awesome. So I'm gonna finish off the other side over there. No. Okay guys, round two. Okay guys, it did pretty good. Cleaning out gutters all the way. I'm gonna move up the camera and finish over there. Also, you gotta remember, this is dirt. This is barely any leaves out here, and they're really wet. So this is really hard to blow out, and it does a really good job. Imagine if it's just dry leaves. If you keep up with that, don't let it build up with all the dirt. It's gonna be a lot easier and faster. So now that I have this tinted, I don't have to climb all the way to the top on the ladder to clean out the gutters, especially those ones. It's a lot easier to keep up with them quite often. Might only need just 2 pieces, which is more power. Well, I think it did really good, but that gutter over there at the end is still clogged. So I gotta climb up and unclog that, which is fine. But all the leaves for the most parts are gone. Just a little bit of dirt out here, but it's okay. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this gutter attachment for your leaf blower. Definitely makes it a lot easier to clean out gutter, especially if you have long and tall gutters out there. You'll have to bring out a long ladder, and you don't want to fall off that height. So definitely going to be very useful gadget throughout the years while I'm owning this house, so that way the gutters don't overfill and don't spill over everywhere. So yeah, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.